Hi, welcome to Activity 4 of Create Music with Earsketch workshop. In this activity, we are going to add effects to our songs. Effects allows us to alter the sound of the audio clip into its own unique sound, similar to how we used Fit Media function to add new audio clips. We are going to use the set effect function to define specific effects for each audio clip. As you can see, set effect function has 4 parameters and it is defined in the Earsketch application. So we can use this function right away by doing a function call in our program. So in the workshop, we have described all of these parameters, but you can always get a full reference of the function and its parameters in the Earsketch application itself. So let's jump to Earsketch and add set effect function to our song. So this is how our song looks like with functions as of now after activity 3. So let's go ahead and look for the set effect function in the API browser pane in the navigation bar. So when you click on it, you will be able to see the list of all functions here. Let's search for set effect. So as you can see, there are two functions, set effect with 4 parameters and set effect with 7 parameters. In this activity, we are going to use set effect with 4 parameters. All right. So let's put a cursor here because this is where we want to insert the set effect function. We see that there are 4 parameters, but what do these parameters even mean? For that, let's go and look at what these parameters are for. So the first one is an integer, and it is the track where you want your effect to be on. So let's put it on track number 2 for the time being. Effect type has a limited set of values that it allows. In order to know what all of these values mean, you can click on every effect explained in detail link here, and this will open the curriculum pane on the right hand side. So you can play this. To learn what this effect is. And if you put bandpass here in the effect type, there are a limited number of parameters that are allowed for bandpass. Also, there are limited number of values for each parameter that is allowed, and it starts from minimum 20 to maximum 20,000. The default value is 800. There's also an example that you can use right away. So this was bandpass, but there are many other effect types that are specified here. So you can refer all of them here by browsing to a different effect type on the bottom right corner. So for our purpose, we will be using delay. So I copied this from our workshop and I'm going to insert it here. So let's just cross check we have all the values correct. So we have delay as our effect type, and delay feedback is the effect parameter, which is an allowed parameter. Let's look at the values. Default is -3, but we can specify anything from -120 to -1. So -6 is a valid value. An example is also specified here. So that is correct. I would also like to add one more set effect function on the same track. All right. So if you want You can add as many set effect functions on as many tracks as you want. You can also try different effect types and effect parameters that are allowed for that effect type. Feel free to go through the curriculums pane and browse everything. So for now, let's run this and see how our song looks now. So as you can see, we have two effects on track 2, which is delay feedback, delay feedback, and delay time. So let's play this and see what it sounds like. That sounds great, doesn't it? So in the next lesson, we are going to learn about the other set effect function that we saw here, which is set effect with 7 parameters, and we will see how we can use that to fade in